Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, pepper egg sandwich. It's supposed to be an iconic sandwich. Let's cook. Okay, so we're gonna fry our peppers. And our onions. Supposed to be a pretty simple, iconic sandwich. Just bell peppers, onions, and eggs. Gonna add some salt. And some black pepper. Stir this up a little bit. We're going to cover this, let it cook for about 6 minutes or so. Okay, we're going to take our peppers and onions out now. Alright, so we got our olive oil, some butter, and we're gonna add our eggs. So to our eggs, we're gonna add our peppers and onions. Now this part is going to be up to you guys how soft or hard you want your eggs. So we're going to scramble these. Alright folks, our eggs are done. Time to make our sandwich now. Look at this. We're using pepper jack cheese. It's my favorite cheese. You have it folks, our pepper and egg sandwich. There's our sandwich folks. World Famous Foods pepper and egg sandwich. Enjoy.